Okay, once you click video ping, now what you need is a video to ping. And this is a dashboard of your results and whether it's still active, if it's been already created RSS feeds, if you've saved them, and what the basic thumbnail was. And so this is ping completed here. So let's get started. I'm going to add a new video. Now I'm going to just copy a video over, let's call it, here's a walkthrough. Now this is 33 minutes. Okay, we'll go ahead and use this one. This is
welcome. Now, if you've seen earlier, I gave you.
Okay. Now what I do is I can come up here and copy that, or I can hit the share link and just copy that one. So I'll start that. Come over here, paste it in. If you've got Spin Rewriter enabled in your integrations, and we'll get to that on another video, you should be able to either spin the title and description at the same time, or just single title, single description. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you how to spin it. Okay, so it gives you a spun version in here. Now, if you don't have Spin Rewriter, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start over by getting data. And we added that as an automation tool for you. If you don't want to put the integration in, no problem. So let's say that you wanted to spin certain words, and I'm going to spin walkthrough and auto blogging demonstration. And I'm just going to copy this. We're going to have some different variations of that. Oops. So I'll just paste a couple in there. Then I'm going to close the bracket, and that's a spin. So this will be one part of the title, second title, and third title. So I'm going to just put in here auto blogging demonstration, and I'm just going to put walkthrough demonstration. Okay, and I'll hit preview to show you what it looks like. There's one version. There's a different version. Yep, it's not spinning it. It will spin it whenever we do a full preview of it. And this is your description from the YouTube video. And we also pick up the tags coming in from YouTube. And then that's the thumbnail. And you can play the video here, just make sure it's the right one if you want, and hit update. So now basically you've set it up, you set up that very first tab, and you have defined what the title is and what the description is in your blog post. Now I'm going to hit move to thumbnails tab. Now we have the ability to swap out your thumbnails when you go to a post. But when you're just doing a link processor to the links, it's going to use that main YouTube thumbnail, because that's the link it's actually pulling from. So if you want to have thumbnails in there, we can either pull from Pixabay that you'll set up in integrations, or you can pull from image packs. Now image packs are just a collection of similar images that you put into one folder and then you upload them as an image pack. And I'll show you how to do that in another video. And it's going to put your tags over into here. So if you pull Pixabay, it's going to pull these as keywords to find your images. Sometimes it works really good, and sometimes it's pulling some junk because it may not understand what RSS Masher is inside of Pixabay. So this is, if you're doing a generic video, this would probably be a good one to use. But we use image packs if we're going very specific, and it allows you to have a bunch of different variations of the image as you're doing your postings. Now, once you're done, now I'm not going to put in any image packs. I'm just going to use the basic YouTube thumbnail. Now I'm going to create the variations. Now YouTube has 32 variations, and that is, we give you the opportunity to use all 32. Now at this point you can generate an RSS feed from those variations. You can put the video before the description, or you can put it after the description into your own custom RSS feed. You can also export to CSV. So if you want to run this through your own link building platform, you can get a CSV with the title, description, URL, or thumbnail. Or if you want to just change it and you want just the title and URL, real easy. So I'm going to open this up so you see what it looks like. And it opens in my Excel. So there's the title. You see how it spun the title? And there's the URL. And this is most of the time if you're using like backlink indexer or 1 hour indexer, a lot of times they'll just need the list of URLs is all you need. And some, I think Colinkery and Omega Indexer will take your title and your URL with it. So you can use this CSV for a lot of different purposes, just outside of VidPenguin. Now, once you're done, I'm going to go ahead and go into our integrations tab. Now, inside of your system, we have link processor built in. So you don't have to worry about a link indexer. We handle all that for you. So I'm going to send all my variations to a link processor. Now, if you have pre-made templates, and all templates are, is just a saving, it's just saving this setup in whatever format you want. So I have one just for real estate walkthroughs. I have one for wine boxes, and they'll put them into the different WordPress accounts, different Blogger accounts, and you'll see shortly how we'll set this up. Now, these are the integrations that you can set up in here, because what link processor what VidPenguin can do for you is it will go through and create WordPress posts, Blogger posts, Twitter feeds, tweets, Tumblr post, and you can even send it to Integromat or Zapier. These are automation tools, so you can send it in to build your own link wheels off of either one of those. This one's going to be cheaper. This one has more integrations, so it's up to you. Then we have a PBN network, which is a group of blogs, auto blogs, that we furnish content to. And if you go into your PBN, our PBN, you could select any of these. There's 28 of them, and they cover all types of niches. So mine is about, let's go into marketing videos, make money videos. That's probably a good one to use. And I'm just going to call it network marketing. And you can put it in multiple categories, but with each video, you're allowed to send it to one of our PBNs. You can also create an Amazon HTML page, and we're going to go into these as we go through the videos here. And then if you have any matcher sites, you can send it off to your matcher sites. And this is how easy it is to send to any of them, is you just simply check the box, and it will add that in an integration set. So on the very first video, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply send it to link processor. And I'll go ahead and send it to a PBN. And let's just pick one. This is about RSS Master. So I'm going to go down here to, let's see. Ranking videos. There we go. And we're going to go into content marketing and maybe SEO videos. Okay, now I'm going to hit update. Now I can save this as a template. So next time, if I don't even want to think about what to select, I would just come up here and I could select this one template that send it to link processor and a PBN network. Okay, now once you're done, you hit update and move to ping tab. Now this is where you can schedule it out. I'm going to do it all at once, meaning it's going to happen right now as soon as I hit freeze and ping. Or you can schedule it over days. Now, if you're sending it to blogs and posts and Twitter, you don't want to send everything all at once, because it's a lot of social integration happening at one time, and there's a possibility that the social platforms will pick up on it and notice that you're spamming. So we don't ever want to do that. So, recommend between 7 to 30 days. Just kind of schedule it out if you're adding all your integrations at one time. And if you're doing multiples to Twitter or multiples to WordPress posts, put it out to 90 or 180 days. And this is the way to make your video go evergreen in ranking. Is if over a 180-day period, you've got a lot of content going out on this one video, there's opportunities to rank your video, not just today or this week, but over the next 6 months. So I'm going to choose all at once because I'm only doing link processor. Now, link processor, you want to send them all at once. Actually, I'll just do it over the next 3 days. Hit update. And there we go. So it's going to put the video embed in there, and it's going to send link processor. And this tells you the post after date. Okay, so now we're set up, ready to go. And if you change anything, you just want to hit refresh. You can, when you hit refresh after you freeze and ping, it will start posting URLs in there. So once you do this, it's all set up, ready to go. Now, here's the cool thing is, if you want to, let's see this real quick. Now it's going to spread it out over 3 days, but you can always come back to this freeze and ping page, and you can export all these links along with the title, the description, and the post URL are going to be these links. So now you've created links that you can send back out again that will include your WordPress, your Twitter, your Masher, your PBN. So you can backlink those with the link tools that you have. And we're going to run link processor to every one of those new links. So that's the basics of how to set it up just to do link processor. Now, on the next video, we're going to start going into the integrations and how to set those up.